I'm fixing to install this and I'll show you how simple it is. I'm going to put it on top of a pickup. It could be used on trailers, about anything.
Thank you to Electquay for sending us this 12-inch rooftop beacon emergency strobe light. This is available in 13 different color options, and we have the amber and white option. There are 12 other options available. As you can see, it has 2 heavy magnetic strips here. With these lights, there's 16 different patterns, and it has 14 heavy-duty magnets. Underneath these protective grips that go on the roof of your car, you will see that there are 14 heavy-duty magnets. The installation is very easy as it just goes into your car cigarette lighter. This is where you control the power and the unit. This unit comes with 48 high-intensity LEDs. As you can see, they really get the attention. There is a built-in memory to automatically start at the last one that you used on your last use of the product. So if you have a favorite option for the LED lights, then you don't have to go through all 16 of them again. It will automatically pick up on the last used setting. You can attach this anywhere that is magnetic, and as you can see here, we attached it to the side of the flatbed of the pickup.
Very easy to attach. The little suction cups on it stick pretty darn good. Good and snug, as you can see. It's got 16 different flashings, and it's a waterproof grade construction.
As you can see, those magnets really work. He's trying to show you how well it stays on, but with a firm and steady pull, it's also easy to remove.